Si teacher, sino ba yung pinakamaaga dumating? Sino pinakamaaga teacher sa preschool? Sino? Si Prince? Ay, Prince! Bigyan ng praise si Prince, teacher! Ayan. Yes, o, bigyan natin ng prize. Meron na. Okay, lahat pala binigyan na ng teacher G ng prize para walang away. Okay? So guys, hands up everybody, hands up! Okay. ESP. Okay. So please, may dalawa pong sobrang notebook all in all. Ilan po ang ating notebook?
Okay, good morning students. So bali, papuntayin muna natin siguro sila teachers sa mga respective classroom nila. Okay.